Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to join WhatsApp group with QR code. First of all you have to do is open your WhatsApp application on your phone, open your group, and from here you have to tap on the name of the group on the top. From here, all you have to do is swipe down just a bit. You have to make sure that you must be the admin of the group. If you're not admin, you cannot invite via QR code. So if you swipe down, you will see invite via link. You have to click on it. From here, you will see QR code option. You have to click on QR code. A QR code will be shown on the screen now. All you have to do is ask your friend to scan that QR code. Now just imagine if this is your friend's phone and you ask him to scan that QR code. Now what he will do, he will click on the three dotted options. From here, he will go to the settings. From here, he will see a QR code option. He has to click on it. From here, you will select scan code. Now your camera will open. Your friend has to scan the QR code on your phone's screen. Once he scans the QR code, he will be joined into the group. And that's how to join WhatsApp group with QR code. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.